You just recorded a song and you have $100 to promote it. How would you use this money? What's happening, everybody? My name is Bobby Borg, aka Professor. I recently had a Zoom meeting with a former student who was asking me about promoting and releasing songs on a limited budget. Here's his question and my answer.
Hi Bobby, if you had just $100 to promote a song, how would you do it?
So first, let's assume that you're doing all of the free DIY stuff that you can do. So this $100 is going to be allocated to situations that you would not be able to get for free. So what I would do is I would find the local radio DJ in your territory, the local club booker in your territory, and the local journalist in your territory for the cool music magazine or blog that might exist in your territory. And what I would do is I'd invite them to your record release party and I would lure them in with alcohol. Okay. It's amazing what you can do with alcohol. So what you would do is you would, talk to the club owner and see maybe if there was a way that they could give you a discount on beer or maybe some well drinks so you can get a little bit more mileage with that $100. If you're doing it in a club. If you're doing it in a more of a private setting, like your rehearsal room, then you're going to get a little bit more mileage because you might be able to buy a keg or some bottles, right? But again, it's amazing. I'm not advocating here for alcohol, but it's amazing in the music industry what you can do when you tell people, hey, there's going to be free booze, right? Now, the cool thing about this is it could lead to another gig or gigs. It could lead to a review in a blog or magazine or several reviews and critiques. And it could even lead to radio station play. It could lead to interviews, all because what you're doing is you're creating relationships, and relationships are huge in this industry. So that's extremely important. So you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck than the typical, do Instagram boosts or do Facebook ads. So this is more of the type of sort of DIY out of the box thinking that all of you guys really need to be considering. And now that we're sort of past COVID, there's no excuse why you can't get out there and play. So that is what I would do with $100 to promote my song.
Hey, you want to jump on a Zoom and ask me a question? Leave it in the comments below and I'll be in touch with you. Peace.